Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2, morning shift and day shift. How are you, boys and girls? I hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Let's see what will be our today's topic. It is make sentence, synonym, antonym and question answer from unit 1. I am writing here unit 1. Okay, look. I am telling again, it is make sentence, synonym, antonym, question answer, unit 1. Dear students, this is our lecture number 2 and homework number 2 also. So let's start. Before going to start our today's class, I want to tell you something regarding our previous class. In our previous class, we read unit 1 and word meaning. I hope that many of you have learned your word meaning and have submitted your homework on word meaning. Inshallah, today we are going to learn. Our selected topic is make sentence, synonym, antonym and question answer. Okay, let's start. At first, make sentence. Look. Make sentence. I am writing here unit 1, okay. I forgot to write here. Unit 1. If I write before, it will be better for you. This unit 1 from Buzzword book. Okay, look, make sentence title. So how many make sentence I have given? 4. And synonym, antonym 4. Question answer 4. That means all are 4 items. All are 4. Okay, look here. That means number 1 is jungle. Animals live in the jungle. Dear students, here I have given one example as a model, but you can prepare your own sentence with this word jungle, but you have to write grammatically correct sentence. I have written like this: animals live in the jungle. Number 2, music. The monkeys played music. So look here, the monkeys played wonderful music. I am telling again, the monkeys played wonderful music. Number 3, chatter. Chatter means making sound. Look here, the monkeys chatter loudly. The monkeys chatter loudly. 4 number, merry. Merry means happy. Look here, Mowgli sang a merry song. I am telling again, merry means happy, glad. Merry, Mowgli sang a merry song. So how many word meanings we make sentence we have learned from here? This make sentence. Okay, I have underlined it. 4. Now we will go to synonym and antonym. Synonym and antonym. Okay, look. While writing synonym and antonym, you will follow my way like word, then synonym, then antonym. I am telling again word, synonym and antonym. Look at the word at first. Number 1, bright. The synonym of bright is shiny and antonym is dull. Bright, shiny, dull. 2, little. Look here, little is small, huge. It is huge. 3, wonderful. It is amazing and terrible. Wonderful, amazing, terrible. 4, hollow, empty and solid. Hollow, empty and solid. These are the 4 synonym and antonym. Dear learners, I am telling you, while writing synonym and antonym, you must write in this way like word, synonym and antonym. Now we will go to question and answer. Question and answer, look here. So look, number 1, first question is, what was Mowgli doing when Balu met him? Answer, Mowgli was walking through the jungle singing a merry song when Balu met him. Now we will go to question number 2. What did Balu say about the song? Answer, Balu said that it was a beautiful song. He wished for music for the song. Number 3. Who played music for Mowgli and Balu? Answer, the monkeys played music for Mowgli and Balu. Last question answer. Why did the monkeys tie some vines to a few branches? Answer. The monkeys tied some vines to a few branches for playing them like guitars. Look at the spelling guitars. It is pronunciation is guitars. Spelling is Guitars. Guitars. Okay. Dear students, that means we have finished. Make sentence, 4 make sentence, 4 synonym antonym and 4 question answer. So look here. It is written homework. What is it? It is homework. This is your homework number 2 and homework topic is make sentence. Submit on every Saturday or on Saturday. Dear student, this is your homework. Make sentence. How many? 4 homework. Before writing homework, don't forget to write unit 1. I am telling again, nobody will forget to write unit 1. At first you will give date, okay, then title unit 1, then make sentence. Okay, dear students, now I hope that all of you have understood these 3 topics: make sentence, synonym antonym and question answer. Please try to learn again and again and write in your CW copy properly and do your homework properly and submit it on every Saturday. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.